Children, other type of sets we are going to understand. First two sets we have discussed in the previous video. Now other types of sets are cardinal number of a set. What is cardinal number, children? You see here, the number of distinct elements in a finite set. Finite means which you can count. Countable number are called finite set. Okay, that is called a cardinal number. Set A equal to C, D, F. What is the cardinal number? You have to count the number 1, 2, 3. So Na equal to 3. The value of cardinal number is 3. Na equal to 3. In this, B equal to, set B equal to 2, 4, 5, 6. So what is a cardinal number, children? Count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So N means cardinal number of set B equal to 4. So it is easy. First, next, finite set. Finite set means limited, which you can count. That is called finite set. Set of boys in your class. So you can count the number of boys, 40, 20. Okay. So X such that X is a member of a particular family. So in your member, 4 member or 5 number or 6 member, whatever, you can count easily. That is finite, means limited. 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 100 and so on. So you can count easily 3, 4, 5 up to 100 number between the numbers. Okay. Infinite set, which is not finite, which is uncountable, which you cannot count. Okay. X such that X is a living thing. So living things many are there, you cannot count. Okay. Infinite set, like you can count your hair. No, you cannot count your hair. X such that X belongs to W and X greater than 1000. So this you can count. X belongs to W. W means whole number and X is greater than 1000. So many numbers are there, children, which we cannot count. So that is infinite number. Singleton set. What is singleton, or you can say unit set? A set which has only one element in it is called a singleton. Only one. So President of India. X such that X is a president. So president only one. 2, 3 president is there in any country? No. So that is singleton set. Set of whole numbers between 6 and 8. So between 6 and 8 there are only one number, that is 7. So that is singleton. X such that 2x minus 1 equal to 3. 2x minus 1 equal to 3 value you will get. What number you will put? 0. So 1 minus you will get 1. 2 1 j 1. 1 you will get. So only one number you can get in this. Empty set or null set. Null set means nothing, which defined nothing, means there is no meaning. Okay, the set which has no element or there is no meaning, that is called empty or a null set, and it is denoted as phi. Okay, it is phi. The empty set is denoted by the Danish letter that is known as phi. OA written, phi it is. The set of all odd numbers between 7 and 9. So between 7 and 9 odd numbers is there? No. 8. 8 is not a odd number. So that is null set. X such that X belongs to N and X less than 1. So on. So X less than 1 is what? Minus 1, 0, minus 2. It will go in negative. So that is not a natural number. That is also a null set. Okay. So this important points you read it. Joint or overlapping set. Joint set, overlapping means if they have at least one element common. In any set, at least one element should be common. Set A, see 5, 7, 9, 11, and set B 6, 9, 12, 15. So in set A and B, what is common, children? Which number is common? 9. 9 is common. So in both the set only 9 is common. So this is called overlapping set. You can say joint set, which is common in both the set. Disjoint set means which is if they have no element in common, no any other element is common. Set A 5, 7, 9, 11. Set B is 4, 6, 8, 10. So there is any element common? No. Is there any element common? No, any element is common here. So this is called a disjoint set. Okay children, so it can be written in set builder form also, like that: X such that X is a student of Sophia Girls School, and B equal to X such that is a student of St. Mary's Academy. Then clearly set A and B are disjoint set. This is Girls of Sophia, this is Mary, so there is no any common thing. Okay, so that is also an example of disjoint set. What is equivalent and equal set? You need to understand in both this. Two sets are said to be equivalent if they contain the same number of elements. Same number of elements, whatever number or alphabet, anything, any literal, but the number should be same. A, B, C, here alphabetical, here X, Y, Z. So both are different, but number of elements are same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is called in NA equal to NB. Means cardinal number both should be same. NA equal to NB, we can say it is equivalent set. What is equal set? Two sets are equal if both the sets have same identical elements. Identical means if you are taking number in set A, so it is very important in set B also it should be number. However, you can write in set builder form, no problem, but should be number. So X such that X belongs to N. Belongs to N means natural number, and X less than 6. So X less than 6 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in set A also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both are same. So two sets are equal if both the sets have same identical element. Identical element, then we can clearly say A equal to B. If identical element is not there, then we cannot say it is a equal set. In equivalent set, the number of elements are equal, whereas in equal sets, the elements are the same. And equal sets are always equivalent. Equal set can be equivalent, but equivalent set cannot be, not necessarily a equal set. You know the reason? Okay, now see here. Exercise 6b. How you can do? Find the cardinal number of the following. One number I have done here. You have to write cardinal number. You just count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cardinal number NA, A1 equal to 5. Second number A2, X such that X belongs to N, and 3 less than equal to X less than 7. Equal to means 3 also included. So 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a natural number less than 7. It is clear children? So what is cardinal number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. So right, cardinal number is 4. In this manner I hope it is clear. You can do it. 2 number also. 3 number also, finite or infinite. You can find out which is finite, which is not finite. 4 number singleton set. The set of points of intersection of two non-parallel straight line. Two non-parallel straight line means non-parallel, and point of intersection is only one. There is point of intersection is there, only one point of intersection. So this is a singleton set. So you can read all this, do it yourself. Any doubt you ask later.